Good morning, guys. This is our Japanese house, and today we're going to give you a tour. This area is the Genkan. This is where everybody takes their shoes off when they come into the house. Usually we store the shoes in here, and then we have house slippers in here too. Usually we only use these ones for guests because we have like our own that we use, but the cats usually carry those away, so mine are probably upstairs somewhere. In here we keep more shoes, stuff for the cars and yard. And then this is where I usually keep Everett's poopy bags and his leash because it's just easier to take him outside. And then we got some other knickknacks in here. And then this is like kind of like our welcome shrine to a relationship. We've got this is a trip from Rockport where we went. This is like my favorite trip ever. And I think we had to pay to take that photo, like before, after the dolphin tour, but it was fun. And then this I got as a gift from a Japanese coworker when I worked in Okinawa. This is a marriage certificate. All right, and this area in here is the living room. We usually don't keep that much furniture in here. We have the couch though, and the couch expands. You can lift this part and pull it out so the whole couch gets wider. It's actually comfortable enough to sleep on. And sometimes I study in here, which is why my laptop is in here. And then often we'll pull this beanbag into the center of the room, mainly because I like to meditate on it and the pets like to lay on it. See, he already thinks it's his. And then this area over here is the kitchen. I actually spend probably the most of my time in the house in this area. So this is like, we just wash the dishes and put them here. This stove is pretty cool because like you can turn it on and then like turn on the burner. And it actually won't really heat up unless there's like a pan or pot on it. Like even now, like it's not getting warm at all. And then also I've noticed it kind of turns itself off. Like if you put like some hot water on it and you like leave it to boil and it runs out of water or something, it seems like it kind of turns itself off. I wouldn't recommend that, but it's a nice safety feature. And then all of this is storage. So is this. So is this. It's kind of chaotic in there. So. Oh, and almost forgot. This is where the trash is. There's different trash for pretty much every day of the week and every item. So we actually have 5 trashes. This is for combustibles, which is like burnable stuff, food stuff, pet
stuff goes in here, like poopies. This is like for wrappers, like if there's like we get like a bottle of water and it has a wrap around it, it goes in here. And then this is kind of for miscellaneous plastics that aren't labeled with some of the special symbols that are used here, or like just general non-Japanese made plastics. And then, besides this, we have this. This is where we keep a lot of our recyclables. We have like a recyclable center that we can take them to, but this is where we keep bottles, and then we have cans in here, and then any time that we have cardboard, it usually goes here
until we can take it to the recycling area. And then this area is like kind of like the washroom, bathroom area. We keep a lot of pet stuff in the corner and cleaners. It's chaotic, but that's what we do. And then we have this area over here, which is like our vanity area. I'm not even gonna open my vanity area. And then this is the laundry area. Although we don't really use our laundry area, I'll insert a clip of the laundry place that we do use because it's very cute and you guys should support her business because the owner is really, really nice. And then this is the bathroom, which I have a very strong love-hate relationship with. The tub is actually smart, so if you fill it up with water, it will stop once it reaches full, which I really like. And then you can kind of control the temperature and a lot of other functions here. Like this indicates that it's filling with water. I'm gonna turn it off though. And then this area over here is an intercom, I think. But I really use this. And then the reason I don't like the bathroom so much is I don't like this drainage system here. Underneath, it kind of like traps water down there, which I don't get. I don't get it. If someone has a Japanese house and they watch this video, can you please educate me like how this functions? Like, am I doing it wrong? Why does it trap water? I don't understand. And also the drain in the bathroom gets clogged constantly. So I don't know. If you have a way of working a Japanese bathroom that works better than what I'm doing, I would really appreciate your feedback. Also, this shower head, it's kind of like outside the shower. You can take it in with you. Also, you can, some people I've seen like they'll have like a little stool or something, like if they're washing their hair or they're doing something outside the bath because the whole room is designed to get wet. I personally don't care for that function. I would rather just the shower head be inside of the shower and then that's it. Like I really have a thing about my feet being wet, so I don't know, maybe I'm doing it wrong. Let me know if I'm doing it wrong. Please explain how it should be used. But I love the tub. And then let's go upstairs. Hey, Loki. Before we go upstairs, gonna be a quick pit stop to make, which is the bathroom. This is the downstairs bathroom. It's pretty straightforward, really. The coolest thing about this bathroom is I like the ledge because I can use it to decorate. These were given to me by some people that I used to work with that I really care about, and I keep them. If you give me something really sweet, I'll probably keep it. So that I display in here because it has a really nice shelf. And then this toilet has the ability to wash your butt, so it has like the bidet function. So you can turn that on with the control panels here. And then you can also control like the level of flush you did. So if you really didn't have much that happened, you can just push this and then that's the end of it. And it's eco-friendly. Or if you really need like some high functionality flushing action, then you can press this button and do that. So pretty straightforward though. And then let's go upstairs. The stairs are pretty steep. At this point I'm used to it, so I don't really mind it. I don't really mind the stairs one way or another, but I have fallen down the stairs at least once and it was pretty painful. This is another bathroom. Pretty much same deal. This is my husband's game room. This is probably much better toured by him, but if I were him and I were giving a tour, I would just point out the One Piece stuff because he's a huge fan of One Piece. Like he's got pretty much a whole collection. Like this is not even everything. And if we go someplace, like when we went to Tokyo the last time, I was trying to figure out like how we're gonna strategically fit all the One Piece stuff into our bags. And then he's got this whole gaming setup, and he's got, of course, his PS5, which I think is very important to him because he went through a lot to get it when it first came out. And then console for like, I want to say like the older version of the same thing. Like I said, this would be better for him to narrate. and then his controllers. But yeah, this is his deal. And then Loki loves the camera.